Now when we're working on a work against problem, we have to remember that the two things are fighting and competing over some resource, which means they're not going to add together, they're going to subtract. So we're going to look at a fairly straightforward example of a children's inflatable pool. And it takes 20 minutes to fill the pool, which means that its per unit is 1 over 20. If we let it empty by just opening up the valve, it takes 50 minutes to empty. And so the question is, if we try and fill it, but we leave it accidentally open, the valve, how long is it going to take to fill? And that's t, or 1 over t. And so we do the same thing, we put our equal right here between the two, but instead of adding, we're going to subtract. So we get 1 over 20 plus 1 over 50 equals 1 over t. Our lowest common denominator between 20 and 50 is 100. We tack on the t and we multiply by everything by 100t. And divide out the common pieces. We get 5t minus 2t equals 100, or 3t equals 100. So t equals 100 over 3, which is 33.3 repeated. So about 33 1/3 minutes. Now the important thing to remember here is that when you're working against, you put in a minus sign instead of a plus sign.